Hi everyone. Hello Geminis. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe following the rules and guidelines of the government. Uh, Guys, this is the reading for the month of September 2020. So I've changed the pattern. It's a 10 questions reading, okay? So yes, let's check it out what's going on with you guys. Guys, if you want to book my sessions, face-to-face sessions via PayPal and Google Pay, you can book. If you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning and 15 days numerology workshop, you can enroll. The details are given in the description box below. If you want to book a full reading, okay, like related to career, relationship, situationship, you can book. The details are given in the description box below. And if you want to have an emergency reading on the same day, like it's an emergency reading and you want to have the tarot reading on the same day, it's the cost of it is $200, okay. So the details will be given in the description box below. You can connect to me, okay. So yes, so same day you will get the reading. That's for the people who don't want to wait for the reading and who want to have the reading on the same day, okay. So yes, payments, international payments are accepted globally via PayPal, and Indian payments are accepted via Google Pay and Paytm. The details are given in the description box below, so you can connect with me, okay. So, and if you wish to make a donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. If you want to have a reading when it comes to those live sessions and YouTube channels, if you wish to book for you also, you can. And yes, that's all I have for today. Let's check it out what's going on with Geminis for the month of September 2020. What are you going through currently? Okay, so actually you are not waiting for something. Before, in the past, you were waiting for some sort of text, call, message, okay. Now you are just being impatient, okay. You are no more waiting for anything in the month of September, okay. No more waiting. Might be a person, might be a relationship, might be a career thing, okay. It may be anything, okay. So yes, if you follow the same plan, what will be the likely outcome? So the likely outcome will be the manifestation. You are dealing with manifestation, okay. So if you are not waiting for any more, whatever you feel, whatever your manifestation, whatever you are hoping, believing, will come true, okay. So keep on following the same plan what you are doing, like you are not waiting for anything, okay, and you are just manifesting. So whatever your hopes and beliefs are, it will be manifested, okay. What do you need to know about your career, relationship and finance? What you need to know about career, relationship and finance? What do you need to know about your career, relationship and finance? What do you need to know about your career, relationship and finance? What do you need to know about your career, relationship and finance? What do you need to know about your career, relationship and finance? What do you need to know about your career, relationship and finance? Okay. Instability going on into a married life. A lot of issues going on into the home life. Okay. And you are being emotional after seeing such a situation. But lot of instability is there when it comes to a home life, relationships, marriage, commitments, okay. That's the problem going on right now, okay. So yes, major instability is going on and you are just being emotional about it. Next question is, what do you need to do to change such a situation? What you need to do to change such a situation? What you need to do to change the situation? What you need to do to change the situation? Okay. 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 Well, there is a major change which is about to happen, but it will only happen when you will self love, self care, self awareness is there. It will only happen when change can happen into the relationship, into the home life, into a married life, only and only if you focus on your money related stuff, you focus on your self love, self care, your stability, your financial stability and your emotional stability. Okay, and once you do that, there will be a lot of changes which will be taking place into your marital life. There might be a possibility of improvement. Okay, but here it's all about this person, this queen is all about self care, self love, nurturing. So you need to love yourself, you need to self care, self love yourself. You need to focus on your pentacles, your money, your stability, your financial stability, and only once you do that, only then change will arise when it comes to your married life. Okay, so universe is telling you self love, self care, self everything self is important, and only when you start doing it and when you complete doing it, then a major change, major transformation will happen into your married life. Okay, that's the thing. Wow. So next question is, tell me something about his or her feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. They are holding back. No, they think that you are holding back. Okay, you are just sad and worried. They are thinking that, but they are see what I am saying. There is an instability into your. There is an instability going on with them. Okay, and they are trying to hold back their emotions, their feelings towards you. Okay, and here you are focusing on a marriage, but here they are holding back because they are just focusing on their pentacles, their money related stuff. Okay, but they also feel that you are also holding back now. Okay, and somewhere that is what the issue is going on. Both are thinking differently. Okay, so next question, where is this relationship will be going? Where 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 this relationship will be going? Okay, sorry. That was a cover and I'm not going to take it. But yes, where this relationship will be going? Disappointment, problems, issues. It will only, this relationship will be going through to the past things which happened in the past. Okay, like even if you come together, no, there will be a lot of issues, fights related to what happened in the past. Who left someone in the cold? Why you left? And why I left? And why these things didn't work. So it will always be a disappointment. Right now it's like a lot of disappointment situations is there, and that is what this relationship is going on in this month of September. A lot of disappointment. Both are disappointed whatever happened in this situation. Okay, so yes, a lot of major disappointments are there in the month of September. They think that you left them out, you think that they left you out. Okay, so it's like that. Next question is, what should you focus on from now? What should you focus on now? Self love, self care at utmost should be your utmost priority, because once you do that, only then there will be improvements happening into your marital life, relationships. Okay, what you should focus on, what you should focus on from now. What should you focus on from now? Okay, guys, major instability. You need to focus. You are just focusing right now on the your focus is right now in the month of September will be, you might be getting a question that why you are not reconciling, why you are not reuniting. Okay, but the issue is that two of cups is in reverse. That means that you will not be reconciling right now. Okay, this is not the perfect time. There's a issues going on in the relationship, and there is also issues in the divine timing. Okay, so yes, divine timing is playing its role, and until and unless the time is not there, the reconciliation won't happen. That's the problem. So you better should focus on yourself, your money related stuff, and your own pentacles, your stability, your money, your finances. Okay, because things won't work. Even if you try to, things won't start working. You need to focus on not making an action, not thinking about this person. Your focus should be in the month of September towards your happiness, towards your career, towards your stability. You will feel that your person is not making any move or action towards you, and at the same time you will be feeling that you are not having a reconciliation, reunion. Okay, but yes, because this is blocked, divine timing is not there right now, correct timing is not there. So you just need to focus on yourself. Self love, self care, self stability, financial stability should be your current priority. Okay, because if you don't focus on yourself, things won't get better into your marital life or your relationship. Okay, that's the issues going on. Okay, next question. Again, I'm thinking that I am doing a personal reading of someone. Okay, same situations. What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Just focus on your pentacles, your money related thing. Okay, guys, self love, self care. Your hopes and fears is, if you regain your power back, then that is your hopes and fears. Okay, if even if you regain your power back, you are fearing the major change which is about to happen in the upcoming months, upcoming weeks. Okay, so yes, you should not lose your power. You have a fear, your hopes and fear is that you are hoping that you should regain your power back, and that is also your fear, because this strength will make others weak, or they will feel that there is same types of energy. So I just need to clarify this. What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Instability. Your hopes and fears is unstable. It might be relationship, it might be career. Okay, instability is coming under hopes and fears. Okay, that's the issue. Okay, what will be the outcome? The outcome for the month is that there is no new beginning, no new opportunity. Opportunity has been blocked. Okay, if you are thinking that your love relationship will be better, that opportunity has been blocked. Okay, the people who are thinking that their money related situation, career related situation will be going on good, let me tell you, your money is stuck. The people who are dealing with career related stuff, okay, I am talking about them. Your money is stuck somewhere, you are concerned about money, you are thinking about stability into your financial life, but a lot of instability is going on into your financial life because the new opportunity, new beginning, new projects, new collaborations has been blocked. That's the issue, that's the outcome. So it will happen that because you won't be getting a new opportunity right now. If you think that project will be coming in the month of September, no, this is the outcome. Opportunity has been blocked, new beginning has been blocked right now, financial gains are been blocked right now. Okay, new beginnings in marriage, in career, whatever it is, in a relationship, everything is blocked right now because opportunity is blocked, everything is blocked currently. That is the outcome for the month of September. Very bad reading, sorry guys for the same. Just not really a good reading for today. I was hoping it will be good, but yeah, sorry guys. Can't help it out. Silence. Someone is just being silent. You're just thinking to share your life with someone, but there's a new vision on the horizon. You're just being silent. You're just thinking of sharing your life from to someone or into your career. Either career or relationship matters, but there's a new vision. New vision is arising into your life. You might be getting dreams, messages, emails, and universal, stuff into your life. So yes, very bad reading. This is the worst reading so far I have done. Not a happy one reading. So yeah, the Emperor and the Lovers. Okay, so chances of coming together is there, but the problem is that you need to wait for a right timing is not good at all. Okay, so you just need to be into your own power. Universe is telling there is not the right timing. Divine timing is playing its role. Okay, so until and unless divine timing is not there, you won't be coming together. Okay, so you just need, at least in the month of September, you are not having a reconciliation. Okay, so yeah, very bad energy, very 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 tough energies I'm dealing with, and I'm not really happy to do this reading, but I have to. But yes, guys, kindly comment down below what situation you are dealing with. I want to know what kind of different situations you are dealing with, because the reading is creating lots of blockages. I don't know, but yeah. This is just a situationship reading, that this situation you are dealing with. Okay, so okay, 3 cards. Guys, your heart chakra has been blocked. Okay, so you need to heal with it. There's a lot of instability, confusion, problems, evaluations are there. Okay, you just need to maintain a balance between your heart and head. Okay, between your mind and your heart. Okay, you are going through a lot of anxiety issues. There's certain kind of wish fulfillment right now which is not coming true, and you're having a lot of anxiety issues, sleepless nights, worriness, sadness, lot of is there, and you need to open your heart. Your heart chakra is blocked, and you need to open your heart towards different kind of things. Okay, do not create a blockage for just one person. Ready to open your love, ready to share your love to the universe. Okay, so just open your heart chakra, because heart chakra I'm seeing has been blocked right now, which is not a good thing, guys. Okay, this was the worst reading I've done for the day today, like till now for the month of September. This is the worst reading, guys. Not really good reading, not really good energies, not really positive ones. I don't like doing such readings. Very bad reading. Whosoever is dealing with it, it's like very heavy energies. Okay, so your archangel for the month of September is Archangel Thuriel. His message for you is nature nurtures me. Go to nature, travel, walk, do whatever you want to do. Animals and other creatures bring me messages that guide me in my life. My connection with Mother Earth provides vital energy. I am focused, I am grounded. It's a beautiful thing, guys. Okay, guys, 1 minute. So guys, the gemstone for the month of September is Cobra Jasper. You can Google it. Okay, the message for you guys from Archangel Uriel is: have you been getting outdoors enough? It is time to reconnect with nature. Get out there and put your hands in the earth. Garden, walk in nature, play with animals, and allow the earth beneath your feet and the sun above your head to nurture and realign you. So go into the nature, walk, eat, dance, do whatever fuck you wanna do. Just enjoy your life. Okay, you need some nature life, naturally love. Just go out, just spend time with nature and animals and dogs and everything. Okay, you will feel better, guys. Okay, so yes, kindly like, share and subscribe, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Geminians.